Hello everyone, welcome back to Molly's Cozy Kitchen. Today we will be making spinach muffins, which are naturally green and a perfect treat for St. Patrick's Day. Let's get started. Start by putting 1 cup of fresh spinach packed into a food processor along with half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, a third of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I absolutely love vanilla. It's delicious in all kinds of baked goods. Blend that until it's fully combined. This may take a while. And when you're finally done blending, let's get started by making the dry mix for the muffins. Alright, now that you have your spinach puree, let's get to making the muffin batter. Start by adding your spinach puree into a large mixing bowl. It may not look appetizing now, but trust me, once it's in the muffins, it will be delicious. Then, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. That's it, super simple. Now mix and try to keep it to under 10 stirs, because if you mix your muffins too much, you will form gluten and your muffins will be dense, chewy, and not super tasty. As you can see, I went a little overboard here. My muffin batter was a little bit too tight. I may have needed to add a little less flour. That's fine. Start by adding less, and you can always add more if you need to. Once you've finished making your batter, you can get to the fun part, baking and eating. Now, spoon these into either muffin tins or mini muffin tins. As you can see, I've lined mine with adorable muffin wrappers. This may take a while. I find that using 2 spoons or an ice cream scooper can get you even amounts of batter into the muffin tins, but you can use whatever you have or whatever you like. You can always add or remove batter from the muffin tins. As you can see here, I needed to add a little bit of batter from some of the overfilled muffins to some of the smaller ones. That's fine, whatever you need. Now, bake these in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. And here's my brother to try the muffins. As you can see, one is missing because I just had to try one and they were fresh. And I got the brother thumbs up of approval. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. I'll see you all next time. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you make these. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.